morning, students. Good morning, students. Take out your grammar book, page number 22. Once again, I am repeating, take out your grammar book, page number 22. Take out your grammar book, okay, page number 22. So we have completed collective noun, na? We have completed collective nouns. So today we are going to start countable and uncountable nouns. Chapter number 10, that is countable and uncountable nouns. Page number 22 of your grammar book. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we have to know what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. So by countable noun, we have to understand the things which we can easily count. That's why we can call it count noun also. Okay, count nouns, the things around us which we can see, if we count it easily, then we can call it countable nouns or count nouns. The next one is uncountable noun. So what is uncountable noun? Just opposite of countable noun. Okay, the things which we cannot count, we call it uncountable noun or uncount nouns. Okay, so the nouns which can be counted is called countable noun, and the nouns which cannot be counted is called uncountable noun or uncount nouns. So look at in your book, first page number 22. Okay, A, page number 22. A, count and write the number of persons, animals or things in these pictures. So take out your pencil. Number 1. In your book, number 1, page number 22, you can see here the two girls standing, na? The two girls. So you can easily count it, the number of girls. We can see that there are two girls. So write down the number of girls, 2. TWO, 2 girls. So we can call it countable noun. The next one is, there are the picture of 3 rabbits. Okay, 3 rabbits. We can easily count 1, 2 and 3, the number of rabbits. So write down here 3 rabbits. The next one is flowers, the picture of flowers. So count the flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 flowers. So write down. Hello? Is there any confusion? It's better to write alphabetically, okay? Okay. So write down 4 flowers, okay? 4 flowers. We can easily count the flowers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write down 4 flowers, okay? Number 4. Please repeat your question. Who is making? Just ignore, okay? And just ignore the noise and please concentrate, okay? Just follow the board, okay? I am writing on board. Number 1, 2 girls, okay? Number 2, 3 rabbits. Number 4, we see here the clowns, okay? The clowns. So just count the clowns 1, 2 and 3. 3 clowns. So write down here 3 clowns. Number 4. Next, number 5. We see the pictures of penguins, okay? So count the penguins 1, 2 and 3. So write down 3 penguins. Oh sorry, yes, 4. Number 4 is very little, na? So there are 4 penguins, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 6, apples. We see here the picture of apples. 4 apples, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 apples. So write down 4 apples, okay? So we can count girls, clowns, rabbits and penguins. We can count flowers and apples also. So that's why girls, clown, rabbit, penguin and flowers, apples are countable noun. Why they are countable noun? Because we can count it. So we can call it countable nouns or count nouns, okay? Now try to count this. Number B. Try to count. Can you count sugar? In your kitchen you can easily find sugar, na? In your container, the sugar container in your kitchen you can easily find it. So tell me, can you count sugar or not? No? Why? Because it is very difficult, na? It is very tough task to count the sugar. So it is uncountable noun. The next one is milk. Can you count the milk? Milk is liquid. The next one is water. Can you count water? No. Okay, so these three are the uncountable noun. Okay, sugar, milk and water. We cannot count sugar, milk or water. So sugar, milk and water are uncountable nouns. Only we can measure its quantity, na? So come to page number 23. Come to page number 23. Number C, okay? I am going to rub the board. Write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable nouns, okay? Number 1 is tea. Number 1 is tea, okay? So tell me, tea is countable noun or uncountable noun? So for uncountable noun, write U, okay? Number 2, cup. Can you count cup? So write down C for countable noun, cup. Number 3, milk. Milk is countable or uncountable? So write U for number 3, milk, uncountable noun. Number 4, bottle. Can you count bottle? Countable noun. Number 5, gold. Write down U. Number 6, ring. Number 6, ring. Countable. So write down C. Number 7, page. Once again countable. Number 8, paper. Uncountable or countable? Countable. Number 9, cake. Cake countable? Uncountable. Number 10, stone. Stone countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Number 11, chocolate. Number 12, bar. Number 13, fruit. Number 13, fruit. Uncountable, because there are many fruits, na? Number 14, mango. Countable, because one by one you can count mango, na? Number 15, food. Food countable or uncountable? Food. Uncountable uncountable. Number 15, food, uncountable. Number 16, sand. Number 17, grass, uncountable. Number 18, chair, countable. Number 19, butter. Number 20, honey, once again, uncountable. So we have completed exercise C. Come to exercise D, okay? Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns taking clues from the pictures. Okay? Taking clues from the pictures. You have to fill the blanks with uncountable nouns. Okay? Number 1 is a blade of grass. A blade of grass. Number 2 is a pinch of salt. So these are uncountable nouns. Keep in your mind, okay? Number 3, a spoon of sugar. Number 4, a cake of soap. Number 5, a drop of water. Number 6, a heap of sand. Number 7, a bottle of milk. Number 8, a slice of cake. Number 9, a kilo of flour. So these are all uncountable nouns: grass, salt, sugar, soap, water, sand, milk, cake and flour. These are uncountable nouns. So we have completed countable and uncountable nouns. So once again I am repeating. What is countable noun? The things which can be easily count is called countable noun or count nouns, okay? And just opposite of it, the things which cannot be easily count is called uncountable noun or uncount nouns. So we have completed chapter number 10, okay? In the next video we will continue with nouns, number, okay? Bye.